today's video, I will be showing you how to print your watermarks here in Google Sheets. So if you've had a dataset and you've added a watermark and you decided to print it, if we try and print this as is right now, let's go to File, select Print, and here is our print preview. Right now, we can't see the watermark that is added on that spreadsheet. Therefore, we can't print it this way. What we can do would be to close that off. Again, here is our watermark. You can definitely see it right now. But with the print preview, we don't see it. So what we can do to print our spreadsheet with the watermark is to go to File, select Share, and publish this to the web. So once you've selected that, you're just going to go ahead and publish this with a link. Click on OK. And now it's published to the web. What we're going to do is to just copy this link so we can open a copy of our spreadsheet. Let's close that off. Open a new tab. Paste that into the address bar at the top. Press Enter. And here we have it. So now our watermark is still visible. So from here, then we're going to try and print this spreadsheet. So I'm just going to right click on any space right here. We're not going to click on the spreadsheet itself because it will just try and print the watermark that we have placed over our cells. So let's go ahead and select Print right here. And now with our print preview, we can see the watermark with our spreadsheet. Unlike if we do it with a print option, it won't show our watermark. But with this workaround, we are now able to print the same spreadsheet with that watermark. So you can just go to More Settings to remove some of these headers or background graphics. That's totally up to you. But if you want to include it, you can go ahead and do that. And when you're done, just select the printer that you want to print it with and select Print. And there you have it. That's a workaround on how you can print your spreadsheets with your watermarks in Google Sheets. So if you want to learn how to place a watermark over your spreadsheet, I have a separate video on how to do that, and I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.